And how are you? You're tired still. Well, gee, there's a surprise. You spend so much time napping, and then when you're done napping, you don't want to get up to see if I'm home, so you just fuss a bit, and you know that I'll come in and see you. Oh, Maxie, Maxie, Maxie. You ready to get up? Oh, look. Ellie's gonna bring you a toy. Ellie's got her squirrel. Oh, see, yawning's contagious. You've got the little kid yawning. Oh, she's gonna check out the Roomba, which is in front of her crate, which she hardly ever uses anymore because now she's figured out the bed. So, shall we see if we can get Maxie up? Oh, or maybe you'll just go back to bed beside Maxie. Max, you're such a handsome guy. Such a handsome guy. What have you got to say? That's a pretty high-pitched whine for a big macho guy like you. Oh, now we have the yawn cam. This doesn't look like this is going to be anything more than you just yawning and thinking about getting out of bed. I don't think we're going to actually get you out of bed. What do you think, Ellie? What do you think? You coming up to see Max? Come on. Up you come, Ellie. Ellie, come. Come on up. Come see Max. Look, half asleep. You're falling asleep while you're standing there, you silly girl. Funny ears. Oh, more yawning. Uh-oh. We're exploring pillows. That can't be good. Nosy little girl. Nosy little Ellie. Back to nap time? I think it's back to nap time. All right. Enjoy your nap, Max. Love you, Max.